Welcome to the Hawaii Periodic Motor Vehicle Inspection Program. This video will walk you through the steps necessary to load the Zebra form printer with a new ribbon and new form stock. Please note that the forms and ribbon used in this video look different from the ones you use in the Hawaii Periodic Motor Vehicle Inspection Program. The process for replacing the ribbon and the forms remains the same. To replace the ribbon in the Zebra printer, release both upper cover locks and open the upper cover by pulling the yellow buttons toward you and lifting up on the cover. Remove the waste ribbon roll. Transfer the empty ribbon core onto the printer's take-up spindles. Be sure the notches in the ribbon core line up to fit the notches in the printer's yellow spindle. Place a new ribbon roll on the printer's lower supply spindle and attach the ribbon to the take-up core using the self-adhesive strip on the new ribbon. Rotate the ribbon take-up hub until the black section of the ribbon is advanced past the print head. You have successfully loaded new ribbon. To load more form stock into the Zebra printer, release the gray latch located on the left printer guide. Pull the guides all the way out. Then press the gray latch to lock the guides in place. Feed the forms through the opening in the back of the printer. Ensure the leading edge of the first form is flush with the front of the printer. Release the gray latch and position the guides to hold the forms in place. Then lock the guides in place. The forms must have enough space to move between the guides without getting stuck or ending up at an angle. Firmly close the upper cover until you hear a click. Press and hold the cancel and pause button together at the same time, until the forms start to feed, and then release both buttons. Once the forms have stopped feeding through, open the upper cover and realign the form stock with the front of the printer to prevent any forms from being wasted. Firmly press down on the printer cover until you hear a click. Press the pause button one time. The orange pause light will disappear, leaving only the green power light on. The printer is now ready for printing forms. If you have any questions or need support setting up your printer, please call the PMVI assistance line at 1-888-803-2655, which is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also email the PMVI assistance line at hawaiipmvi@parsons.com. Thank you for your participation in the PMVI program.